Respected Principal Sir, all teaching and non-teaching staff of the school, and my dear students, a happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Today is a very great day in our country because today is the birthday of Sripalli Radhakrishnan. Can anyone say that what is a teacher's full form? What does T stands for? T stands for talented, E stands for educated, A stands for adorable, C stands for charming, H stands for, can anyone say out of this? Nobody? N stands for, H stands for helpful, E stands for encouragement, and R stands for responsibility. All these are the qualities that should be present in a teacher. Now, I will going to ask another question. Can anyone say that why we celebrate 5th September as a Teachers' Day? Can anyone from this side, anyone? Why we celebrate 5th September as a Teachers' Day? Nobody? Yes, we know only that much. But why we celebrate? Why we don't celebrate the birthday of any other leaders who have a great sacrifice for our freedom? Why only Dr. Radhakrishnan? Why not others? Because he was a personality who devoted his full life for promoting the education in our society and also understanding the cultures of the society. Now I am going to tell some lines on his life. He was also the Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962 and also represented and served as the President from the tenure of 1962 to 1967. His early life was that he born on 5th September 1888 in Tamil Nadu in a Brahmin family. Sri Swami Ravaya and Sitama. His primary education was in a high school and his highest education was in Vellore. He graduated at the age of 16 from the University of Madras and also completed his masters from the same college. When we come to his academician, he was also an academician. He served as a professor of philosophy from the University of Mysore and a vice chancellor from the University of Andhra. He also published the journals. He wrote articles for the journals like The Quest and The Journey of the Philosophy. He won many awards like Bharat Ratna in 1954 and also the Sahitya Academy Fellowship in 1968. But what is the importance of a teacher? Whom can we say that person is a teacher? A teacher is like a candle who consumes itself and gives light to others. And also he plants seeds and nurtures them until the seed becomes a beautiful tree. Now, let us, what does a teacher require from all? What does a teacher require from all? Can anyone say? A teacher only needs respect and dedication for his work and nothing more. Now we know that we take pledges that India is my country and all others are Indians, all the others are my brothers and sisters. Now here we are going to take one pledge. All of you take your hand forward and take a pledge. All of you.
चलो प्लेस के लिए सर बोल रहे हैं ना.
We will take a pledge that we will respect our teacher. All of you repeat after me.
प्लेस के लिए सर बोल रहे हैं ना. प्लेस के लिए रेडी बोलिए ना सबको. प्लेस के लिए करने के लिए हैंड करो ऐसे.
All of you repeat after me.
बोल रहे हैं ना आगे दो पीसेस आपको.
Today is the Teachers' Day, so we must take some pledge.
Be in place position and ready for play. Then they will follow you now.
हाँ और थोड़ा थोड़ा वो शॉर्ट वर्ड बोलिएगा तब ना बोल पाएंगे.
We must respect our teacher, obey the orders of the teacher in the class. So at last, before I conclude,
ये नहीं
I again thanks the principal sir and all the teaching and non-teaching staff for giving me such an opportunity to speak in front of you. Okay, hands down,
प्लीज हो
all
गया
of
ना
you,
तो आप
hands down.
बोलिए.
So before concluding, I want to say one sloka. अज्ञान तिमिरनादस्य ज्ञानयंजना शालाकया चक्षुरुमिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. The meaning of this sloka is English, that one who opened the eyes of those blinded by ignorance with the slave of the knowledge salutation to such a guru. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ ये है कि अज्ञान रूपी अंधकार से अंधे हुए जीव की आंखों का जिसने अपने ज्ञान रूपी शालाकाओं से खोल दिया है, ऐसे श्री गुरु को प्रणाम है. ऐसे गुरु को प्रणाम है. Thank you, sir, for giving me such an opportunity to speak in front of all of you. Thank you very much.